name's Sabrina Merlo. Up until about 3 months ago, I was with Maker Faire for 9 years, most recently as Managing Director. I am doing a variety of different projects around, in some ways, digesting my experience over the last almost 10 years of working in the maker movement, encouraging more makers and the community at large. So I got into making through community and through friends. I had been a literature major, never was involved with any technical making or skills, tools, and learned to do metal fabrication, machining, and eventually became an electrician through a community of makers. I see making across craft and food and old world skills like forging and glass. It's not limited to newfangled tools and technology for me. I think it's about the maker mindset that's particular around being resourceful, around having the wherewithal to solve problems, to ask the questions that you need to ask to get to the solution, to network across a community of creatives, and to pool resources to make the solutions that we're after. We have some big challenges in front of us that require creativity in science, technology, engineering, math. We need people with creative agency to be able to solve these problems, and I think the maker mindset is what we need to get there. I've spent a lot of time and energy in my life thinking about doing work that matters. So what is engaging me, but also where can I make a difference? I found a lot of juice in working in the maker community, and I hope to continue to do so.